1. Mouth, a bacterial wonderland. Did you know there are over 600 types of bacteria living in your mouth? Yep, the number of microorganisms in there could be larger than the population of Earth. These bacteria love saliva, especially after a sugary or carb-filled meal. But don't worry, it's perfectly normal. Your mouth is meant to be like this. 2. Hair, the living dead. Ever wonder why cutting your hair doesn't hurt? That's because by the time it peeks out of your skin, it's already dead. Hair grows from tiny sacs called follicles, fed by blood vessels in the scalp. But once it reaches the surface, it's essentially lifeless. So each strand you cut is already gone. Kind of creepy, but also super interesting. 3. Hiccups, a blast from the past. Tired of annoying hiccups? Blame your ancestors from 370 million years ago. One theory suggests that hiccups are a leftover reflex from ancient ancestors with both lungs and gills, like some Australian fish today. This reflex may have helped prevent water from entering their lungs. So next time you hiccup, you can thank evolution. 4. Garlic and your feet, the surprising connection. Here's a weird experiment for you. Rub garlic on the soles of your feet, and in about 30 minutes, you'll taste it in your mouth. This happens because of a compound called allicin, which seeps through cell membranes, travels through your bloodstream, and reaches your taste buds. 5. Blood, a mosquito's buffet. Ever feel like you're a mosquito magnet in the summer? Well, there's a reason. The average human body has enough blood to satisfy between 1.2 to 1.8 million mosquitoes. Since each mosquito only drinks about 0.003 milliliters of blood per bite, your body is like an all-you-can-eat buffet for these tiny vampires. 6th hearing, the post-meal. Buzz. Ever noticed a buzzing sound in your ears after a big meal? Some foods and drinks can affect fluid levels in your inner ear, creating that buzz. Sugary, salty, and caffeinated treats can cause it too. Have you ever experienced that? 7. Eyes, nature's high-resolution cameras. If the human eye were a digital camera, it would be about 120 to 140 megapixels per eye. But unlike your phone's camera, these pixels aren't evenly spread out. In the center of your vision, there are over 200,000 color receptors per square millimeter. At the edges, much less. So it's like a high-res camera with a soft focus edge. 8. Cornea, shark-like vision. And here's a wild one. In the future, if you ever needed a cornea transplant, your donor could be a shark. Shark corneas are so similar to ours that scientists think they could work in humans someday. How cool is that? Imagine seeing the world through the eye of a shark.